Hi guys and welcome back to Motorskati. As you can see, I'm in kit now, but we're leaving kit to rest a bit to take care of the RCZ again. As you just saw, the windshield washer fluid is coming out fine, but no matter how full the tank is of the windshield washer fluid, every time I'm using it, the onboard computer is showing me a warning message telling me that the level is too low, even though it isn't. If your car has this error message, chances are that the washer fluid level sensor is broken. This little thing here, oops, is what it looks like. And now I'm going to show you how to take it out and to replace it with a brand new one.
This is the washer fluid tank, but to get to the sensor, you'll actually have to reach through the front right wheel arch. And these are all the tools and parts you're going to need for this job. A jack, a 17mm breaker bar, a plastic clip removing tool. You might also just use a flathead screwdriver or a flat panel removing tool, as well as a pair of pliers. A ratchet with a 10mm socket, a T20 Torx screwdriver, a bucket to catch any fluid coming out of the reservoir, a new washer fluid level sensor, and a torque wrench set it to 100 Nm for any PSA Group cars. First, I lift up the car securely and put the wheel under the engine as an extra safety feature. Then I take off the 12 plastic clips with a dedicated tool, as well as two 10mm bolts and one T20 Torx bolt of the crown plastic cover that retain the plastic wheel arch. Once it's out, you need to locate the sensor and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Leave the electrical connector plugged in for now. It's going to be much easier to disconnect once the sensor is out. Water is going to come out as soon as you pull the sensor, so even if there's not much water left in the tank, I highly recommend placing a bucket or some kind of recipient below it to catch any dripping water. A small flathead screwdriver will do the job to unclip the sensor from the cable harness. I plug in the new one and I'm basically ready to reassemble the whole thing. Just one word of advice: when you are taking the wheel well out, obviously you have to take all this plastic clips out and a couple of bolts. But then in order to get it up properly, first
unhook this part, lift it over and out, and then you can gently, like you're gonna have to pull the end parts gently out over the wheel arches here. And in reverse, you're gonna have to do the same thing in reverse, basically. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure to get that out here first, and then you can pull the whole assembly out. And that's basically all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching.